In the shadow of the moonlight I sit alone. Memories like whiskey, they cut to the bone. She left me with a letter inked in tear-stained lines. Promises broken, love lost in the pines. The old porch swing creaks echoes of her laughter. Her scent lingers on the breeze, haunting ever after. I trace her name in dust-worn letters on the floor. A love story unraveling, a heartache to explore. He stopped loving her today, they placed a wreath upon his door. But I can't shake the ache that won't go away anymore. Regret hangs heavy like a worn-out coat. I'll keep loving her tomorrow and the next I roll. Our song, a melody of pain, each note a reminder of love's relentless reign. She danced in my arms, twirled under neon lights, but now she waltzes with another in someone else's nights. I pour my sorrows into a glass of amber fire, whiskey lullabies to drown the unquenchable desire. Her photograph stares back, frozen in sepia grace. A love extinguished, yet burning in this empty space. Stop loving her today, they placed a wreath upon his door. But I can't shake the ache that won't go away anymore. Regret hangs heavy like a worn-out coat. I'll keep loving her tomorrow and the next I roll. Oh, letters one by one, the fireplaces glow, yet their ashes cling to my soul, refusing to let go. The whiskey whispers secrets, tales of what could be, but moving on feels like a betrayal, a silent plea. Find solace in the rain, let it wash away the pain. Maybe someday I'll stop loving her, break this chain. But for now I'll strum my guitar, sing under the moon, a lost love's ballad, a heartache that won't swoon. As the stars fade into morning light, I'll carry her memory through the darkest night. He stopped loving her today, they say, but my heart still beats to her ghostly sway.